Stop washing your hair with the wrong, crappy, cheap shampoos. I know today I'm talking about the best shampoos for men's hair, and it really doesn't matter if you have straight hair, wavy hair. I mean, using a good quality shampoo is going to really, really help. However, there are different types of shampoos that can help specific things. For example, hair loss or dry scalp, dandruff, all those types of stuff. And I think a lot of people, they automatically say, oh, it's a shampoo, I'm just gonna go to a drugstore and buy the cheapest one and I'll be good. Well, in reality, it's actually making your hair feel awful. Have you ever used a shampoo that you bought and you're like, oh, I'm just gonna buy it because it's like $3, and you go home and you wash your hair in the shower and you're like, my hair feels like straw. Some of you probably could care less about that. Like, I know that's why these companies make millions and millions of dollars, because clearly people don't care about how their hair feels. They just want something that, oh, it's shampoo, it's gonna clean my hair. But if you are somebody who does care about how your hair feels, scalp health, all of that stuff, I'm gonna share with you products that I have that I think are gonna be really, really beneficial. So let's start with probably one of the biggest ones when it comes to hair loss. There are shampoos out there on the market that I just feel, could be better, to be honest with you. And that's where having the right products that are very specific, that have ingredients that really are beneficial to your hair, are important. So I have something called my Pure Set, and this has been around for many, many years. If you're using it already and purchasing it already, you already know how great it is. But the Pure Set, and because I have only limited stock here, this is what it looks like. So it does have a pump that comes with it sealed, the shampoo and conditioner. Why is this so unique? Well, it helps block DHT, which is what causes hair loss, and that is a special ingredient in here that is peppermint. And it's really, really good for the scalp. And there's also a bunch of organic ingredients and extracts that help build volume in your hair, but also help promote thicker hair growth. So if your main priority is thicker hair growth and fighting hair loss at the same time, then the Pure Set is going to be for you. And it has somewhat of a light peppermint or minty scent to it. So just so you know, that's what you're gonna be getting when you use it. When you use this, the one thing you're going to notice, even with the shampoo alone, is that your hair is going to feel incredibly healthy. You may even say to yourself, my hair feels so conditioned and so soft that I don't even think I need the conditioner. That's fine. But I would suggest, and this is probably the biggest question I get all the time, is how often should I wash my hair? Wash your hair as needed. If your hair is disgusting and filthy every day, wash it every day. If you feel like, your hair is okay after a day, 2, 3, I always say every other day is fine. Maybe every 3 days, 2 days. If your hair smells, if it's disgusting and oily, wash your hair. Using good quality products like these are not going to damage, dry your hair, make your hair fall out. None of those, stupid claims that fake hair gurus tell you, okay? So use as often as needed. Conditioner, what it does is it basically helps detangle the hair and makes it feel softer. So what's important is the shampoo, because you're using this on the scalp. The conditioner, I always say more run it through the ends. If it gets on your scalp, that's fine. But the conditioner is designed for the ends of the hair, so it helps smooth it out and helps it feel soft. A lot of shampoos, and I've worked for 2 massive, massive beauty companies in my career, even some of their best products and, award-winning shampoo this and award-winning, I've used it and I'm like, oh my gosh, the hair is so dry from using this. How are people even buying this crap? When you use the Pure shampoo, you're going to be amazed on how soft your hair feels right out of the gate, right when you wash your hair, okay? So hair loss, thicker hair growth, the Pure Set is the way to go. And it's, it is a unisex product, but if you're a male specifically, you have straight hair, wavy hair, doesn't really matter, this is the way to go. Now, the next one is probably one of my favorites, and that is if you have scalp issues, dry scalp, dandruff. Once again, there are really cheap options out there that people think, oh, because it's cheap and it promotes fixing dandruff, you know, it's my go-to. They're loaded with chemicals, okay? I created the Hemp Set. This is my Hemp Set. And once again, if you know this and you are using it already, you already know what it does. I've had close friends that have told me, Steven, I'm never buying another shampoo ever again because the Hemp Set that you have, the hemp shampoo and conditioner, have literally cured, healed my scalp where I no longer have dry scalp, I no longer have dandruff, psoriasis, all these like scalp issues because hemp is a healing ingredient, okay? And there's organic hemp oil that's infused into the shampoo and conditioner. What that does, it just helps heal the scalp. It's loaded once again with organic ingredients and extracts and things that are really, really good for your hair. But if your number one main priority is you want your hair to not only feel amazing, but your scalp has some sort of issue, whether it's dandruff or, like I said, you know, dry scalp, any of those things, this is a natural healing ingredient. Hemp is going to really, really be the set for you, the Hemp Set, all right? That's what I suggest. And it has like a natural, light, fruity type of fragrance to it. So that's my favorite for people who have scalp issues. And then lastly, the Volume Set. The Volume Set is designed for somebody who purely wants just volume. Yes, your hair is going to feel soft. Yes, it's going to be amazing. Yes, it's got really, really good clean ingredients like I was mentioning before, but some of the extracts and ingredients in here are designed to add volume and thicker hair growth to your hair. So if volumizing and getting that extra boost by thickening the hair is your main priority, something where it's got, you know, good clean ingredients, then the Volume Set is designed for you, okay? And this has, again, kind of like a light, fruity, natural fruity type of scent, like a vanilla type of scent, to be honest with you. This is the way to go. So, once again, let's break this down. Hair loss, thicker hair growth, the Pure Set, it's got more of a mint scent. If you have scalp issues, the Hemp Set, this does have more of a natural fruit type of fragrance, really, really high quality, clean ingredients, makes your hair feel incredible, but it's designed for scalp healing. And then just pure volume, you want your hair to feel amazing, then the Volume Set is the way to go. And again, these are not cheap products. You know, I have really, really high quality products. I've had these shampoos and conditioners for many, 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 many years. If you're using them already, you know how great they are. It's a premium product. I'm someone who's been a hairstylist for 30 plus years. I've used dozens upon dozens upon dozens of shampoos, worked for two of the largest beauty companies in the hair industry. I know what shampoos and conditioners should feel like. I'm telling you, these are top notch and they're great sellers of mine and they're premium products. So if you are in Europe or outside of the United States, then Slick Hair sells them. So that's my European kind of partner who helps sell some of my products in Europe. And then also I have Albura Beauty in Canada, which they're in Toronto. They actually have a physical store. You can go in downtown Toronto, Albura Beauty. Really great people. They sell a handful of my products in Toronto. You can literally go in the store or you can order it online and save yourself some money in shipping and all that kind of stuff. So don't forget the importance of choosing the right shampoo and conditioner for a specific reason is really, really helpful. Let me know if you enjoyed this. Are you using these products? I'd love to know that, and thank you if you are. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.